Hello, everybody. Hello, moderators. Let's go in the platform and let's try to explain what happens and where can you moderate your sessions. Um, so as you go in the session, you see the platform. This is not the topic of this conversation today. You will go here to areas and moderator, and you access a special area where you can see a screen, and this highlight here saying sessions, it's calling your attention because in here will show a list of all the sessions you are moderating. In my case, I just have a fake meeting here on today. So what do you see? After you click there, you have instant access to the chat of that session. So this is the chat meeting. So this is the chat area for all the participants in that session that are putting questions, waving to each other, doing whatever. So this is the chat for that session, and then you have access here to the questions. This is the main thing that brings us here. These are all the questions that are posed to the speaker, and that are going to be filtered by you, moderator. So you're going to read in who is your favorite author? Maybe this interests us. Let's approve this. And who do you know exactly? How do you know exactly what animals you need? This is not a good question, so I'll just delete it. And I'll say yes, delete, and it goes away. How's the weather there? This is not a good question for sure. Okay, do you have specific program for various animals? Okay, this is a good question. So now I have a short list here because I might have like 50 questions here. I might just do a short list here, and then I just decide what to put on the air. Let's imagine your speaker is reaching the end of his presentation and you start dialoguing with him, and I just say, okay, Dr. X, I have a question here from Kevin. I'm going to see it, and then we set active. And as we set it active, it's going to be shown by the audio visuals on the main screen for all the participants. So the participants are looking at the main speaker, maybe you at the same time, and then in the bottom of the screen will come up a footnote saying Kevin Berardo asked a question, saying Kevin Berardo, who is your favorite author? And you might give a few minutes to answer. You can control how long are you giving the speaker to answer your question, and then in the end you just go and cancel it. It might go back there, or if you were here you can say archive, and it goes away and it's archived. And then you have another question. Maybe you have time, maybe you don't. If you have time, you just click here and you can see how long you're giving the speaker to answer that. If you don't have time, or if you want to delete the time, you just click here again, it goes up to 0, and then you just go cancel, it goes there, or you delete it and goes anywhere. Okay, so then you have another function here. We're not using it now, and you have the chat as I told in the beginning. So this is it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please give us a call.